Before starting the 4.7, please read the book first by yourself and think about it and just watch this video. So if you didn't read that, please turn off this video and read the book first. The chapter 4.6, the standard normal distribution exercises. That's really exercise because most of the actual cases we are not doing that standard normal distribution from the beginning. From chapter 4.7, that example 4.71 or 7.2, those kind of application questions are really happening in the real world. So 4.6 was literally exercise. So let's look at the example 4.7.1 first. The question is, they gave you kind of a situation, and that case gave you what kind of distribution you have, and using that distribution the question probably asks you some specific probability under the area, the desired area. Example 4.7.1 give you normal distribution. So the actual x variable is follow the normal distribution, and mean is 5.4, standard deviation is 1.3, and the question is asking about that find the probability that a child selected a random spends less than 3 hours in the upright push-up. So he's asking about x is less than 3 hours, right? So in here, your first job is also, like before, draw the normal distribution. But this time, you have to first draw the x variable, the real variable graph first. And you have to pick your actual mean and standard deviation first. And you have to find the desired area under this real actual variable distribution. That is 3, that's under the mean. If we transform these as a standard normal distribution, then it should be like, the mean should be 0, and standard deviation of z should be 1, and desired area is same thing, I mean under the mean, but we don't know the exact score in here. The score, the second job is find the score, z-score. Z-score can be obtained by x minus mu over sigma. Alright? So that one is 3 minus 5.4 over 1.3. 3, and that will be negative 1.85. So you have to refer this z-score from the table D. That one is 0.0322. So that probability should be 0.0322. That's the probability what we wanted for this question. Okay, so let's go to 4.72. This question is asking about, it will give you a normal distribution, and that one is mean 491, and standard deviation 190. So if we draw the line in here, like this, and the desired area was, what is the probability that on a random day the subject's ammonia concentration is between 292. So the question is probability minus, 292 and 6949. Okay. So we have to pick up those numbers in here. 292 is smaller than 491. That one is mu. So probably, maybe I can just pick up here. And 649 is bigger than 491. So maybe I just pick up here. Okay. So these are the area we want to know the probability. And next job is to transform that one. And find the z-score for these two numbers. First, 292 minus mean over standard deviation. Second number is 649 minus mean over standard deviation. And that will give you Z1 and Z2 score as negative 1.67 and 1.33. Okay. So now you can read these z-scores, the probability according to the two z-scores, and this time you using that trick, right, we did before. This can be like this. And that one 1.67 is 0.9525. And 1.33 is 0.9082. And you have to subtract 0.5 then add them up. So the answer can be 0.8607. Okay, so normal distribution application questions. That's a real question for your continuous variable, especially normal distribution questions. First job is to set up the original variable x using the information in the question, and then what is the mean and what is the standard deviation, and then trying to set up this kind of probability, the real question in the question, and then using this number you have to first draw actual x distribution, normal distribution graph, and transform those numbers into z distribution using the transform function. That one is x minus mu over standard deviation, and then find the area using the table D in the back. So for chapter 4, maybe I think that's enough. And as I put that in the blackboard, your homework question is 4.7.3 and 4.7.6. And please read the chapter 5 before looking the chapter 5 videos, because I only do that, I only recorded example questions and how to show you how to solve those questions. So without understanding what kind of contents in there, probably you will get nothing from the video. So before watching the video, please read your book first. Thank you.